guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this clown inspired look, so like clown but glam. So we got rhinestones on the nose, rhinestones under the eye. I struggled so much with the rhinestones. Like normally I'm good at this, but I was just struggling. And so what I have on today, we're gonna play with some Anastasia shadows, so the Riviera palette and the Norvina volume 2, and that's how we get the blue eye look. We also have some Kylie Jenner lipstick and lip liner, and then, you know, our super thin brows because we're beautiful today. I don't know if this will be my final Halloween look or if I'm gonna do something else later, but we will see. And so if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I look crazy. I look like an egg. Let me just do something to my face to make me look less weird. So our Norvina volume 2 palette, let's go ahead and dip on into that. And I'm gonna dip into the shade E5, which is black, and put that into my crease. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the navy blue shade. Actually, I'm gonna go for C3 because I've never used that one before. And pack it right on top of the black and then kind of blend it out as well. Take the shade B5, buff that out. Whoa, it's blue. So now that we have that blue on as well, I really kind of like the way this is coming out, minus the peeling. The peeling. So I am now going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer and we are going to cut this crease. Okay, now we're gonna go into our Riviera palette in this shade Seychelles and pop that on the top. Dip back into the shade B4 on that same brush that we had it on earlier and kind of just blend that out right underneath the Seychelles shade. Actually pack it on first and then blend it out. Let's go in with the shade C3. Okay, and now with our NYX Professional eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, we're gonna go ahead and just line the upper lash line. Doesn't have to be neat. And now we blend it out with the shade D5. Okay, let's go ahead and wipe away this under eye bake. And then I'll go ahead and clean up around the eye area. So now let's go ahead and do our under eye. I want to be very blue today. So we're going to take the NYX Off Tropic Pro Liner in the shade Poolboy, which is very, very blue. And we're going to put this on our lower lash line. And now let's take the shade D5 and pack that on underneath the lash line. And now take the shade B5 and blow that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara, top and bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to put red rhinestones on my nose to kind of be like a clown nose, you know? So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna outline my nose first with this lip liner from NYX, and it is the shade Kitten Hills. Ready? And now that the outline's done, we're gonna go ahead and add rhinestones. And so I'm just taking some red rhinestones that I got from Amazon. And let's just see where this goes. Also using some Kiss Lash adhesive to apply the rhinestones. Okay, that's a lot of rhinestones. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some blush real quick. Okay, we're gonna dip into our Morphe 8C palette into the shade Queen and go for it. We're gonna put some of the shade Hot on top of it just to soften it up a little bit. Yeah, let's add lashes real quick and then we'll come back to the liner. Okay, I keep dropping my rhinestones and it's making me angry. So we're gonna go to lipstick now. We're gonna take the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Boss, and it's red. We're going to line our lips. Okay, so now what you wanna do is you wanna kind of take the line out like you're smiling. Actually, you're gonna want to add some extra lip to like the top and the bottom, so that way it makes the smile more like flowy. Okay, now we're gonna take the shade Boss and apply that to our lips. I feel like I need to do something up there because it's just blank. I'm literally sick of putting on rhinestones. Okay, I guess we're gonna do some eyebrows. This is like something's missing, so we're gonna do some really thin eyebrows. Okay, that works for me. That works for me. Literally the thinnest eyebrow. Ooh, and there I go. I'm gonna spray my face with some Mario Badescu and I'll be right back. Okay, and now we're gonna add some highlighter because you gotta add highlighter as makeup. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Alrighty, and that would be it for our finished look. Honestly glad I got to finally play with the Norvina Volume 2 palette on camera. And I'm sorry if I'm like talking weird. It's like, that's all I do at work, is just talk all day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Feel free to follow me on my socials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!